What's up, wolf fans or cute puppies? Today we are going to continue with Noon because she can have a mate. Let's. And yes, I'm playing Undertale theme songs in the background. That pup's face draw in the corner. Permit, begin quest, close, go. Okay, we are here and we can have a mate now. So let's go conquer the grassy plains again and see if we can get a mate. I want a white mate because it would make like a lot more sense because we're going to Sloth, but we need more experience points to get cool looking areas. What's that? Just what? I'm gonna actually go to Sloth because, well, dens. They got this title wrong on the Toriel AU themes. It's not under Mafia. It's Mafia Tale. By the way, Toriel would be an awesome trainer because she would care for her Pokemon like children. So I nominate Toriel as the best Pokemon master. The Pokemon master, not Ash Ketchum. What kind of name is Ketchum? What? Toriel. Why is Toriel Asgore? It's under swap. I love Blueberry Sands, aka Papyrus, as Sands is Papyrus, but I also like Underswap Papyrus. And the baby. I love Littletail. Littletail is my favorite because she has like this. Yeah. I love this video. Oh, that's scary. Oh. Okay. I hope this is a dispersal mail. Oh, I think it is. Dispersal mail. Hello there. I like to start off with hello there. Hello there. I like you. It always works when I do this. I like you. Like straightforward Toriel. AU things. I like you. See, it works. Noon has found her mate. It looks like he's sniffing her nose. Let's play. No. Eh. I thought it was the middle of the night. Let's play. Cute! And when you do, let's start a pack twice. It will work. Because I've done this before. To see what worked. Yes. You are biting the air. Dude, you're biting the air. I like that Toriel's glasses under pressure say chill out. Let's start a pack. What should we name this? I think we should name him Outer Star. Because Outer Star, I like that name. I'll name him Outer because I'm playing the Outer Tail theme song. Quest for a mate complete. Congratulations, you've bonded with your mate. To complete the Amethyst Mountain quest, and you're wondering why his name is Outer is because he's white and because the Outer Tail theme song of Toriel was playing. the Amethyst Mountain quest. Now your mate will be your hunting and exploration partner. Watch the rear view mirror, below the compass to see where your mate is behind you. If you turn away from it, you and your mate can continue to explore Amethyst Mountain. When you're ready to pass the winter and start looking for a den for your family, go to the gateway marked by a star on your compass. Done with quest. Come on out. Okay. I know you don't. It's kind of annoying, but I have to do the I have to have the name tag because I won't remember their name. Look, we're the opposites. I'm a gray wolf and he's a white wolf. Let's play with him a little bit. Oops. I hate this. Jeez. I know, that's what I'm doing. I'm expressing myself. Oh my god, Outer is so cute. Come on, Outer. Let's go to the start. I'm ready to have puppies already. What if we have a den here, you might ask? It would be more easier because you know this area. Well, I also know the Slow Creek. I don't know how to say it. No. Theme song must play. I got us some food. Are you sure you don't want any? Who's coming? Are you ready to pass the winter and start preparing for your pups? Yes, I am. So go to Slow Creek. And we're back. So, Wolf's life is about one thing: passing on its genes to the next generation. All else, from hunting elk to defending a territory, drives toward a single goal. You and your mate survived the hazards of the wilderness long enough to meet each other, form a bond, and survive the winter. Now you can try to realize this goal with pups of realize this goal. Sorry, I can't speak. With pups of your own, you and your mate will become the breeding pair, formerly called alphas, of your pack. Yay, I'm an alpha. Their survival and the survival of your genetic code. Your genetic code will be your responsibility. Even with all the dangers you have faced to reach this point, your real struggle has only just begun. Before we start, we need to get more experience points. Oh, where did that go? Yeah, spring is breaking in the high valleys of Yellowstone National Park. After a bitter winter, you and your mate the time has come to start a family. Since other packs have already claimed the slopes of Amethyst Mountain as their own, you have ventured across the Lamar River in search of your own territory. The meadows and hills around the creek look promising. Tucked somewhere into the hills and woods, here is a den site for your pups. An ideal site would be close to food and away from danger such as rival packs. And if you can't find this ideal, you'll have to decide whether food or safety is more important to you. Look for a den. What to do? Den icons. English isn't my first language. Den icons on the compass indicate potential den sites, as you do green areas on the world map. Within each area is a den. Each den has benefits and challenges based on its location. When you approach the den, you can choose your own permanent den site. Once you choose a den, you can't change it for this game. You can visit all the dens or choose the first one you find. And this is the end of this episode. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Outer. I will miss you. And I think I should save the game.
Angelo? Mom's talking to you.
Goodbye.